All right, well, it was brought to my attention that I didn't go over a couple of the features on this MICTUNING switch panel, so that's what we're going to do in this video. So let's get into it. All right, well, here it is. As you can see, I still haven't labeled all the buttons. Hopefully you can see that. Let me see if I can zoom the camera in some. Okay. I still gotta label everything, but I only have these two wired up right this minute, as you've seen in the last video. See how it's blue? Now it says press this button to change the colors. I got it set on blue. I kind of like the red though. This is the 5 different levels of brightness. Turn it all the way up. Well, try that one more again, right? Now, that is, I don't know what color that is. Purple, white. You see it going through the different colors. Hopefully you can see that. See, it's just switching now. Now let's put it on, hit it one more time, and put it on breathe. And it should go through all the different colors. And then another one that goes right back to the red. Kind of like the red. And the blue. I like the blue. There's some more features that it does. All right, it says long press the brightness button. And then you click it a short press 1 to 3 times for different modes. Hopefully you can see this. That's pretty cool. Going through all the colors. That's what they call gradient. This is jump. See how it's jumping to different colors. This is breathing, what they call breathing. Got the lights off, other than the street light right up there, so you can see. This thing's pretty bright in the dark, ain't it? I'm going to turn the ditch lights on the hood. Them things are brighter than they look. During the day, anyway. Now we're going to turn the grill lights on. Let's see, we can come over here. See the grill lights is on right there. Let me turn them off. See, they're off. Now they're on. Now we're gonna walk out here pretty good ways away. Let's just walk over here, all the way over here to the other side of the yard. Let's see if it still works. Hey, look at there. It's the ditch lights, grill lights, and it works. You can use this like a remote. It's wireless. I think I've mentioned that in the first video, right? This is awesome. Well, I got the mic on me and the camera's right here, so let's walk down the road and see just how far they will work. You see there's, hey, look at there. It still works. Uh-oh. Might have just went out of range. Let me back up just a little. Well, there we go, right there. So let me flip this around. Flip the camera around. Sorry about that. That way you're not looking at me. Oh, there's the other lights. The Joker's bright with all the lights on, ain't it? Which that's just the ditch lights and the grill lights. And they're off. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's walk over here and put it in the truck. Just in case I didn't show that clearly in the other video. Well, it'd help if I unlocked the door, wouldn't it? Oh, look at there. Huh. That's awesome. All right. It goes, well, hold that thought. Okay, as you can see, it goes right here. I got the little holder mounted here, the bracket. The bracket mounts, bolts to this, and then I just screwed it to the dash. I put it here, that way I can use my USB port there to charge it, because the charging port is on the right side of it. So when it's in here, I can have it plugged in here and plugged in here, and this can be charging while it's just, you know, sitting there in the holder. That's pretty cool. And I think you can have, let's see, I think I might have turned it off. I think you can have this backlight on. I guess you can see that all the time. It's pretty bright on camera though, ain't it? That's pretty cool. Let's just turn it off. I reach over there and there's a switch to cut it off and on. Make sure that's off, because you don't want it in standby when it's just sitting here overnight. Run the battery down, right? In this, not the truck. Anyway, just wanted to show you that in case I forgot to show that in the other video. All right, as you can see, I have some other lights I still got to install. I think I'm going to install these under the truck so they act as like puddle lights. Wire them. I'm probably not going to wire them to the switch panel. I'll wire them to somewhere in the truck where when you hit the remote and unlock the doors, these lights light up. And I also have a whole bunch of Let's see, I don't know where they're at. Anyway, they're in here somewhere. Rock lights that I got to wire up. All right, there's one. I don't know how many's in there. I think there's 8, 2 for each wheel. Or maybe there's only 4, 1 for each wheel. I can't remember how many he gave me. My son gave me these. I still got to get those wired up and get them. Now these will be wired to the switch panel. So that's going to be awesome. All right, well, just wanted to show you that. I think I kind of missed or forgot to show some of the features of the switch panel itself. You know, the different lights and how it changes from each color and all that good stuff. And I wanted to come out here and check it at, you know, how bright these lights are at night and how far away I can walk or be away from the vehicle and still turn them off and on with the switch panel. Now, I think it says like up to 265 feet away from the vehicle, that remote or switch panel will work to operate the lights and stuff. But that's with the antenna stuck on the outside of the vehicle up by the A-pillar on the right side. It says mounted, put it over there on the right side. I have it underneath the hood, hidden out of the way, and it still works that far away. That's pretty good. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.